today is Monday and I'm really excited about today because we're going to be kayaking and horse riding. I used to do horse riding and I truly miss it a lot, so I'm really excited about that. So we're going to be kayaking to the Benagil Cave. We're going to rent our kayak in Praia da Marinha, which is where we started our hike on the first day. So if you want to see the vlog, I'll link it up here. And right now we're going to head to breakfast. We booked a breakfast here in the hotel, which wasn't included, but we pay €6 per person if you want. You just have to ask the day before so that they can buy the things to cook for us. So yeah, let's head to breakfast.
Written all with the dreams I see, keeps giving me anxiety and delusions in my head as I look at the long list I've yet to complete.
It's another beautiful day, and I just want to say that the next clip are gonna be filmed with my iPhone because we're gonna be kayaking, and we got this little thing for €2.50 because we forgot to pack like the waterproof bags that we had. Just arrived in Praia da Marinha and there are a ton of cars already compared to last time. Last time we were really lucky to have a ton of parking, but now we have to like go very far in the sand to park our car. So we parked like somewhere in between the bushes, so like it's like a private parking. So we're leaving our stuff in the car and just going with our swimsuit and this, and even without shoes. We are at the beach and there's not even that many people here. So now we're just waiting for the kayaks because apparently there's not enough available. So yeah, it's really hot right now.
You can lie by the way, throw stones at the sky, cry all you want, but you'll never know why. Lay your head on your hands, sink into the sand, swear at the stars.
We just arrived in Praia de Benagil and there are a lot of people there, and there's the Benagil Cave. We didn't stop because there was too many people on the beach, but yeah, it's quite big.
Just like the waves, your head spins, you're going insane.
So we just finished kayaking and it was so much fun. I thought 1 hour wouldn't be enough, but it was way more than enough. If you take your time, 1 hour is plenty, and yeah, I think it was really fun. It was definitely worth it. I paid €30 for 2 people, and right now we have a lot of salt on our body and I don't think they have a shower, so yeah, I don't know. I have very sensitive skin, so we'll see if I can find a shower to get off the salt. Now we're just looking for a place to eat a little something before going on the horse riding tour, and it's really hot and I think our AC broke, which is really sad, but yeah. So we just found this random Italian restaurant because we don't have that much time. Hopefully it's open because it's like 3 p.m. So now they only do takeaway, so we're waiting for our pizza. And I think this restaurant is like linked to the hotel that's next to it, and they get like room service and stuff like that. That's so cool. So we are at the stable now, and it's not the time yet to ride, but they are preparing the horses, and there are quite a lot. You can't see, but there's like more than 10. So hopefully we won't be too many people there, but so we finished horse riding, and it was so much fun. The views were so pretty, and I got to gallop a little bit, which was really fun. We were like in a group of 10, and I tried to vlog as much as I could because I didn't know the horse, so it was really difficult to know if I could like have just one hand or not and like get out my phone. But I think I got a little bit of footage, and yeah, I would highly recommend it. I'm gonna link their website down below if you want to try it, and yeah, it's a really fun activity to do here in Algarve. Now we're back at the hotel, at the pool, and we're going to go in the jacuzzi here and then shower and probably chill. So we are now just chilling here by the pool. I have some snacks and some strawberry and a Coke Zero, and yeah, we're just going to stay here for a little bit and then just go to sleep. I don't know if you can see, but I'm a little bit red. I thought it was allergies because of the horses, because yes, I'm allergic to horses, and that's one of the reasons why I stopped horse riding. But I'm not sure now if it's a sunburn or if it's allergies, so maybe that's that. And when I did horse riding, I did it with shorts, and I think I have bruises here on my legs because it kept like pinching me with the saddle and stuff. So definitely wear long pants if you can. And yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun today. I loved kayaking. It was so fun and adventurous. Like, we went in a cave, and then it was pitch black, and it was kind of scary, but then we made it out of it, so that was really fun. And obviously horse riding is one of my passion, and I miss it so much, and I'm really happy that I could do some horse riding in such a beautiful landscape. So yeah, I'm really happy about today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.